Welcome to Seal Creek Beach, a pristine coastal gem where the serene sand meets the vibrant ocean. As our journey begins, we lift off from the sandy shore, the drone ascending gracefully. Directly ahead, to the south end of the beach, your eyes are treated to the crystal-clear waters, gently lapping over textured sedimentary rocks. Rising further, we approach a stunning cliff face, towering about 10 meters high, guarding the point of the beach. Reaching this natural fortress, the drone pivots southward, revealing a breathtaking view around the corner into the neighboring bay. Below, the waters are a brilliant aqua, dancing around beautifully sculpted rocks. As we ascend, the coast stretches out below us, curving further south. The landscape opens up, revealing the rugged charm of the heathland, dotted with remnants of tea trees, silent witnesses to past bushfires. Turning seaward, the view is spectacular. Above, the sky is a canvas of white, puffy clouds with hints of gray, contrasted against pockets of blue. The drone then circles to unveil Seal Creek in its entirety. The creek, ensnared by a sandbar, meanders peacefully behind the beach. Rotating the camera downward, we gaze upon rock pools, their crystal-clear waters inviting a closer look. The small waves create a gentle, white foam as they meet the rocks. Elevating once more, we broaden our view. The scene shifts, and we gaze along the beach where coffee-colored waters of Seal Creek are trapped by the sandbar, with Genoa Peak rising majestically in the distance. We spin northward, zooming in on quaint beaches and intricate rock formations. The Howe Ranges loom in the distance, marking the border with New South Wales. The panorama continues to unfold as we capture Gobbo Island, a speck on the horizon. Returning our focus to Seal Beach, the drone retreats seaward, the turquoise-green waves creating a stunning, dynamic border with the sandy beach. We spin, panning southward again. The landscape is marked by lush, green heathland and the stark, beautiful contrast of bushfire-affected tea trees. Descending, we move towards the north end of Seal Creek Beach. Sideways, the drone captures the rhythmic dance of waves rolling onto various small, secluded beaches. We zoom in on the striking rock formations to the north. The horizon is a subtle blend of colors and forms, the low mountains a faint outline against the sky. As we enjoy a quiet moment, let the music fill the spaces between our narration. Flying along the beach, the cliffs rise again, now up to 20 meters high. The creek's waters, stained with tannin, flow beside the lush bushland. As the drone pans along the beach once more, looking out to sea, the horizon is lined with clouds, a mix of fluffy and streaky formations against a hopeful blue sky. Our gaze returns to the ocean, a rich tapestry of deep blue shifting to green as it approaches the coast, the white waves a gentle welcome to the shore. As our journey concludes, we descend towards the south end of Seal Beach. Here, if you look closely, you might catch a glimpse of Colin, controlling the drone from the shadows. We rotate for one last panoramic view, taking in the stunning layers of sedimentary rock and the vibrant colors of the beach vegetation. Thank you for joining us on this visual odyssey along Seal Creek Beach. As we land softly on the sand, we invite you to explore more on our YouTube channel, Mallacoota 2020, and on our blog at coota.au. coota.au. Stay tuned for more breathtaking adventures.